Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add vinyls record sticker to your Instagram story. So if you want to make your Instagram stories more creative and stand out, you can use the music disc on your Instagram story. So this is perfect for sharing your favorite tracks with a retro vibe. So let's just start by opening the Instagram application. And so the vinyl record sticker is available on Instagram stories. So if you want to create the story with your favorite tracks, you can use the sticker by clicking on this plus icon to open the Instagram story camera. You can use the photo or videos for the background. So for example, I'm going to use this photos right here as the example, and then you can just click on the sticker icon at the top of your screen, and here add music, or you can also just directly click on music at the top, the music icon, and then choose the musics that you want. You can use from this list, or you can also search for specific music that you want. For example, I'm going to just write for a keyword hiking. Let's try to use that. Okay, so I'm going to just add this songs right here. Okay, so now the appearance is music only, as you guys can see. And to change it into a vinyl record sticker, you can just swipe to the left until you find this icon at the right corner, and you can see the vinyl record sticker will be added automatically to your stories. You can just tap on that, and in here you can adjust the size of the vinyl record stickers and also the position. I'm going to change the positions to the top, just like this. And if you want to, you can also modify it by adding a dancing avatar at the top of the disc. You can click on this avatar icon at the top, and your avatar will be added at the top of the vinyl record sticker, just like this. Okay guys, so that's how you can add the vinyl record sticker to your Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and comment with your favorite music feature on Instagram. You can subscribe and click on the thanks for more Instagram tricks and creative aid ideas. Bye.